Stand at the edge of your mat. Breathing in, lift the arms up and back. Breathing out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect. Breathing in, push your right leg back, ensuring that the left foot is exactly between the palms. Breathing out, lift the hips and the tailbone. Bring the body in an inverted V pose. Gently bring your knees down to the floor and exhale. Rest your chest and chin on the floor. Raise your hips. Slide forward and raise the chest up into Cobra pose. Breathing out, lift the hips and the tailbone. Bring the body into an inverted pose. Breathing in, bring the right foot forward in between the two hands, ensuring the foot is exactly between the palms. Bring your both feet together. Stand, inhale and relax. Keep repeating these rounds with alternate leg. Surya Namaskar should be done on an empty stomach morning or evening. It is very effective for weight loss. You can start with 3 to 5 rounds every day, gradually doing at least 25 rounds every day. As you increase the speed between steps, you don't need to focus on your breathing. It automatically gets synced with your body movements. It is an excellent exercise for weight loss management. It strengthens the immune system. It improves overall health, strengthens the body, and relaxes the mind. Surya Namaskar, also known as the ultimate asana, strengthens your back as well as your muscles and bring down blood sugar levels. It also improves metabolism and blood circulation, hence gives a glowing skin and ensures regular menstrual cycle for women. I do at least 25 rounds of Surya Namaskar every day to maintain my weight. Try doing it at least for 15 days and see the difference. You will be amazed by the changes. Trust me. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and always keep trying.